the law of attraction, the law of manifestation, and all this shit. People talk about these things, but don't know how they actually work inside of your body. All right, so I ain't gonna be long with this video. I'm just gonna give you a quick little short synopsis. This is why you learning Reiki and your biochemistry is so powerful. All right, now or learning about your chakras, I would say. Your heart is formed before your brain. Your heart is the first thing that's formed in your body. This is why the ancestors use the heart so much, and making sure the heart has to be weighed. Now, and they got sayings in philosophy that says, you free your mind, your heart will follow. I say free your heart and your mind will follow. Why? Because your heart takes orders, or your mind takes orders from your brain, right? Now, there's science that can prove this. You can look it up, right? So now when you begin to understand that the heart and the brain have to be in coherence, this lets you know that the mind and the body are not separate. They're actually one thing. So your body is just a body. Your brain is the knob. Your heart is the one that's giving these signatures or these signals to the body, or to the brain. Now, if you are unaware of what's in your heart, you're unaware of what's in your brain. So that means what you're trying to attract is only a vibration of what you lack. See, it's only a want or a desire. Because the heart is called the anahata. It's called the unstruck. Now, when something vibrates, it has to re-vibrate. This is the attraction. So the heart governs irons in your body. This is why the heart has two sides. If you look up the wings of Mayat, this is what the heart speaks to. Because the wings of Mayat, if you cut the heart open as a muscle, right, it looks like the heart, right? It looks like the wings of Mayat, I mean. If you take the heart, because it's a muscle, you cut it open it up, it looks just like the wings of Mayat, okay? Now, what is this telling you? Your heart has a left and a right side, or you're dealing with the ventricles and all this kind of stuff, the chambers of the heart, right? So one side is red, one side is blue. This is where Jesus comes into play, the apple of thine eye, all right? So what is that telling you? If one side of your heart is red and one side is your blue, one side is dealing with coagulation and one side is dealing with solvate. Or one side is dealing with an ionization or ionizing or oxidizing of the blood, which causes the blood to pump up, which deals with the irons in your body. Now, we're dealing with Mars, dealing with the age of iron. Now, this is why in the Bible it says that she birthed the iron, because Virgo helped birth. I ain't gonna even get into all that. But when you're talking about coming into your alchemical position, your alchemical composition, the zodiacs represent that, okay? So you are the zodiacs, all right? And I'm out here getting my chemicals going right now, okay? Now, when you talk about this aspect of you, how are you attracting? Well, we dealing with iron now. Now, iron is a foreign substance. Iron, don't, just like rain, this shit don't come from this atmosphere. This shit come from somewhere else, right? It's just developed. It's just kind of cultivated within our human nature. Now, if I was to say all the irons in your body start to repel everything that's not for you and start to impel everything that is for you, that is the law of attraction. So where is your heart? It's not about the brain. The brain must take a back seat because you are the animating principle. See, the heart is the seat of the soul. So if you are the animating principle, that means you are the one that has to start giving your heart and your brain orders versus you taking orders from them. Hence, the law of manifestation or the law of attraction. You are the fucking X. X marks the spot. Namaste. Haha.